Hello friends, welcome to ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited. In this video series, we will learn about ETABS and its function. So guys, in this lecture, we're gonna learn something that was very interesting and very helpful for our structures, like how to create a slab. If you want to create a slab, how would it be? So guys, we're gonna know how to create a slab and how to assign a slab to a structure. And the thing is that we're gonna learn another more thing, like how to split a beam. If we want to split a beam into two parts, how would it be? And how to create a structure look like a very beautiful way. That's the main thing. So guys, here you can see there was a user interface of ETABS. Like here you can see we're having two windows, like in a plan view and a 3D view. In a plan view, we can see the dimension should be known as in a metric system, and 3D view should be known as this portion. So I just want to change the dimension. If you want to change the dimension, how would it be? The thing is that if you want to change the dimension, you just have to click on a units here. And here you can see the consistent units has been erased. Just click there and change the length unit should be like here. I see, like I just want to change it in a feet. We can change the length unit, and in a force unit we can change for the Newton. Okay, so guys, just here you can see the dimension should be changed like a 26 feet and something. So guys, here is it. In a previous video we're gonna learn how to create a beam, so we're gonna know this thing. So if you want to split a beam, firstly you have to create a beam for splitting. So if you want to create a beam, just go for the define, and here you can see the material property. Guys, here we have to define a material for the slab and the beam also, which type of material we having in this and which type of materials we want to desire to our structure. So how would it be? Here we have to click on add a new material, and here you can see the region. In this region we're gonna select the India here, and here for the portion, like which type of material do you want to create. Like I just want to create a material like a concrete slab, so we just have to check for the concrete option, and a grade we're gonna choose for the M25 and okay. So guys, here you can see we can create this thing, like it should be isotropic and the modifier portions and something and others. Okay, no need to change right now for the material damping properties or no layer material data. You doesn't have to change it, and just click on OK. Okay, when I click on OK, you can see this thing. And now the thing is that we're gonna see, so now we have to go for the assign a portion. So firstly we have to go for the define and go for the section properties. Here we can see the several things like a frame section and a slab section. We're gonna assign two things, frame section, slab section, both. So firstly we have to click on a frame section for the creating of a beam and column that we have revised in our previous class. But the thing is that we're gonna start from the another. We just have to click on a add property and select the property here. Okay, so here I just want to choose create a column. So it should be col 1 2 3. That's my name given to a structure, and here I choose it should be M25 here. Okay, so guys, here you can see the depth and the width of the portion. Like according to me, I just want to give the dimension should be 6 inches here, oh sorry, the 10 inches here for the depth and 12 inches for means width. So depth and width we can give here. And now you have to click on a modify section. Here you can see there are several portions. Like if you are right now I'm creating a column, then we have to check this thing. If I want to create a beam, we're gonna check M3. From first portion we're gonna select for the columns, and here you can see it doesn't show anything. Just you have to click here and click add a new material, and it should be Indian, and just click OK and just OK. And right now here you can see when I click something, here you can see if I create a new material here right now, and now I have to give for the concrete, and here should be a rebar. The thing is that we have to give a rebar in it because in a column we having a several steel portions, so that's why we're gonna create a rebar. So here I just have to click OK right now and just click OK. Now I have to choose for the rebar option here and just click OK and just simply OK. Now I have to create another thing, create a new property for the beam portion, and when you click here you can see you just have to give the name should beam 1 2 3 right now, and select the portion should be M25 right now material here, and go for the rebar, and rebar here we choose a beam and give the dimension should be this, and just press OK. Now you have to give the dimension for the beams, like according to the column we're gonna give here the 10 inches, and here we're gonna choose for the 12 inches. It should be 1 feet, and it's OK. Okay, so here we created a beam and a portion along. And now the thing is that we have to design a structure. We have to create a structure. So for creating a structure, we're gonna click on here for the draw a quick beam option, and you can see the property bar. There were several portions. So now in a property bar, we're gonna click here and choose our desirable structure. Like here I choose a column. So here we have to choose the column also. Column 1 to 3. And the guys, the thing is that if I click here you can see the column has been raised, should be on a first floor. But I just want to design for all the stories now. So that's why we're gonna select here and check the all stories option. And now you have to do this thing like create a rectangle. I just have to delete this thing, and now we have to go for the plan view. If you want to change your window, you just have to click here and for the plan view. And now I have create a column by using this thing. And when you want to create another window, you can create it by using the add a window option. And here you can see when I click here, a window portion has been raised just like this. Okay, so another thing for the beam also, I have to create a beam. Now we have to select the section for the beam 1 2 3, and now same step repeated again, and we have to create a beam here. Here you can see we created a columns and we created a beam also. So now the thing is that how to create a slab. So guys, for the creating of a slab, we have to go for the define option, and in a define option we having a several things. Like firstly we have to go for the section property, and here we can see the slab sections. Guys, click here, and here you can see there was a 2 slab which we have created, that was a precast slabs. So now we have to add a new slab here, and it should be named as a slab 2 modified. Okay, I have to give the name for the modified. No, not for the modified. I said it should be new. Okay, so now select the slab material. It should be M25, and the modified slab nation doesn't have to go there for something. Like if you want to change the size data, there's user define for the feeds and the other option. You can uncheck this thing and click OK. And here you can see now in the modifier, just click here. Here was a motion of the membrane of 11 direction, 12 direction, doesn't have to check here. And right now it was a slab or a drop or a strip rib or a waffle. I just have to click on a slab, and the thickness should be 6 inches. Right now I'm giving the thickness should be 6 inches. Okay, and now click OK. Here you can see our slab has been created. Okay, for the creating of a slab, guys, the main thing is that I just want to create a slab. So for creating a slab, we're gonna choose the door frames or the wall by rectangulars. We have to click here. Okay, here we're gonna check the property right now. And property, guys, wait a minute. Before creating a slab, we're gonna know something, how to split a beam. If I want to split anything, like if I want to split this beam, when I select this, all the structure has been selected. Okay, so do one thing, go for the 1 story. Okay, so right now I selected a beam, like I have selected this beam. Here you can see, and if I want to split it, go for the edit type, and here you can see they're having several things, like in a view, in a define, in a draw section, they're having several things. But the thing is that we have to go for the edit types, and in edit frames you can see divide the frames option, join a frame. If you want to join the frames together, then use this thing. And reverse in a connectivity we're gonna learn after some classes. So we have to click on a divide a frames option here, and now I just want to divide a frame into 2 parts. So we just click on a apply and OK. So now here you can see we're having a slabs in a 2 portions, like it was the first frame and it was the second frame. So now our frame has been divided into 2 parts. That's the main thing. By this you can change. So guys, that's the thing. And now we're gonna start to creating a slab. We just have to click here and select our slab new option there, and remain one thing, go for this for the all stories. Now I have created a slab by using rectangular portion. Firstly I have start from this portion. Now for this, here and here, when I click here, you can see I've created a slabs. So now I have creating a slab in a 3 portions. If I click this and if I click this again from the starting, here you can see we have created a slab, and here you can see I have created a slab. But if I want to create a slab into another portion like a rectangular way, how is it be? We have to click here, and now the thing is that you have to create a rectangle here. When you create a rectangle, by clicking here, you can see a slab has been erased. By using this thing, you can create a structure. So guys, we have to go for the rendering view. Click here in the 3D view. Now you have to go for the view, and here is the render view. When you click here, there was a new window has been erased there, and here you can see we have to create a slab and we have joined this thing. That's the structure we have created. So guys, in this video we're gonna learn how to create a slab, how to split a beam, and how to create a structure look like this. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.